After countless attempts to get Tomodachi Life running flawlessly on PC, I've finally identified the most reliable strategies, and I'm eager to share these proven solutions with you right now. First, ensuring a proper Citra emulator installation is critical. This step establishes the foundational environment, correctly placing all necessary system files and dependencies so the emulator can interface with your Windows 10 operating system and hardware without conflicts, which is vital for any 3DS game execution. Following that, correct game ROM loading is paramount because the emulator essentially reads the digital cartridge data. An improperly loaded or corrupted ROM will prevent the game from initializing or running correctly due to missing or unreadable game assets, making proper file handling essential. Next, performance optimization through emulator configuration directly impacts how Citra utilizes your PC's CPU and GPU. Enabling the JIT just-in-time compiler, for instance, translates 3DS instructions into native PC code on the fly, dramatically improving processing speed. Adjusting resolution reduces GPU load, while proper audio and input settings prevent synchronization issues and ensure responsiveness, all balancing visual fidelity with system resources for smoother gameplay. Finally, for any common problem, a systematic workaround approach is key. Updating graphics drivers provides your system with the latest optimizations for rendering, directly impacting the emulator's ability to display visuals correctly and efficiently. Reinstalling Citra cleans out any corrupted configuration files or incomplete updates, while trying different ROM versions can resolve issues if the original file was corrupted or incompatible. Checking system requirements prevents performance bottlenecks, clearing the Citra cache removes problematic temporary files, and a simple computer restart often resolves minor software glitches by resetting processes. These steps systematically address common software and hardware conflicts, ensuring a stable emulation experience.